Alright, so it looks like a 283, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is. Looks like the motor has been taken apart, which obviously, right? Valve covers are off. Carburetor is missing. I am not sure what this guy is right here. Looks like a spindle? Like that looks like a spindle, isn't it?
Is that for the...
Right?
No, that's not for the steering, is it?
It looks like a spindle to me. I don't know. I don't even think it might. It's from this car. To tell you the truth. But
like a spring. Yeah, you're right. A spring.
Yeah, it looks like a spindle and a spring or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Would sit on there, right?
I don't even know what that's to.
I don't think it's from this car, but it was sitting on the motor. So, but yeah, obviously the motor looks very rough. But yep, there it is. When we get the motor out, we'll check the numbers, see if it's an original block. More than likely it looks like it is, but I'm not really sure, even though gotta sand this down a little bit. You can kind of see the numbers on there. But yeah, there's the fan, pretty cool. And the ignition coil distributor still on it, single bail. We gotta get that other hood hinge. That was a lot of fun.